we have definite integral from 0 to 2 of x times square root of x squared plus 4 with respect to x. So first, to solve definite integral, we have to check the domain. We have here x squared, square root of x squared plus 4. This number is always positive, so everything is okay. And next step, we have to solve our definite integral like indefinite integral. So let me rewrite this integral first. We have integral from 0 to 2 of x times square root of x squared plus 4 dx. Next, I will change square root to power 4. So we have integral from 0 to 2 x times x squared plus 4 to power 1/2 dx. Next, to solve this integral, we will use substitution method. Let me put u is equal x squared plus 4. Next, we have to find derivative of both sides with respect to x. Du to dx is equal, derivative of x squared is 2x, derivative of constant is 0, we don't have to write. Next, I will multiply both sides by dx to reduce denominator, because when we do u substitution, we have to find du, because we cannot mix up x and u in one expression. So we have du is equal to x dx. We have here x squared plus 4 is our u, and we have x dx. We found that du is equal to x dx. We don't need this 2, so I will divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 we can reduce, and we have that x dx is equal 1/2 du. Next step, when we have definite integral, we have to change our limits, upper and lower. So we need to find how much equals u for x equals 0 and x equals 2. For x equals 0, we will have u is equal 0 squared plus 4 is equal 4. For x equals, we have upper limit 2. So it will be u is equal 2 squared plus 4, this is equal 8. Now we can rewrite our integral. Will be now from 4 to 8, because 0 we have to substitute by 4 and 2 by 8. And we have first x squared plus 4 is u. So we have u to power 1/2, and next x dx we have to substitute by 1/2. I will put in parentheses du. This is equal. We have multiplication constant, so we can take this constant before integral symbol. So it will be 1/2 integral from 4 to 8 of u to power 1/2 du. We have to find integral of power function. So let me copy 1/2 first, and we have times u to power 1/2 plus 1 over, the numerator is always the same like the exponent, so 1/2 plus 1. Next, when we do indefinite integral, we have to put plus constant, but here we have definite integral, so we have to put vertical bar, and on the top we have upper limit, on the bottom we have lower limit is 4. This is equal. Next, I will simplify this expression, so it will be 1/2 times, because we have division here, and here will be 3 over 1/2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. We have this fraction in denominator, so I have to flip this number. It will be 2 over 3 times u to power 3 over 2. And we have to find lower and upper limit. This is equal. So 2 and 2 we can reduce. We have 1/3 u to power 3 over 2 and vertical bar from 4 to 8. This is equal. Next, we have to substitute first u by upper limit. So 1/3 we have to copy, and we have 8 to power 3 over 2 minus, we have to subtract lower limit. It means we have to substitute u by 4 now. 4 to power 3 over 2. So this is equal 1/3 we can factorize, and we have in parentheses, we have square root of 8 to 3rd power minus square root of 4 to 3rd power. So this is equal 1/3, and in parentheses we will have 8 times square root of 8 minus square root of 64 is 8. So we can factorize 8 also, so it will be 8 over 3, and in parentheses we will have square root of 8 minus 1. This is equal, we can rewrite this one more time, square root of 8 is 2 square root of 2, and we have minus 1. This is my solution.